What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm playing Bird Horror. Okay, look, trust me. Because I was like watching some Gorilla Tech horror content. And this game has spiders. Like actual spiders in caves. Like spiders. Like this game will give you arachnophobia. Or maybe it's just... Oh, he looks sweet. Oh, nah, he's just scared. Oh, nah. I'm good, bro. Okay, so we got normal, low. That's cool. I don't like this ambience. I don't like this.
QQ, do a replay on that.
Here? Look. Bro. Okay, it actually teleports you. I am good, bro. I'm good, bro. No. When I went forward and I saw the caution tape, I already knew what was gonna happen. I don't know if the camera caught that. Y'all seen that, right? He's not stuck. And okay, so basically, oh nah. Well, so basically, there's a floor underneath me. So basically, according to my calculations, he can't get me unless he crawls up that. And watch, I can spawn a monster. But I want crack, bro. Oh yeah, you ain't Mr. Scary Guy. You got Brickmates. They even got Roblox, man. This is they stole this. They did not make this spawn. I remember seeing this before. 198 Spider Force. Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm good. Ding, ding. Woohoo! John Pork, man. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? It's John Pork. It's John Pork. It's John Pork. It's John Pork. Would the spider like pork? Chase me. Well, that's what I gotta do. I gotta do this, right? Right. I'm playing with this fat guy.
I weigh 8 to the power of 5 gigatons.
Yeah. Oh, where you gonna go? You can't even go to mountains because... Yeah.
Because then you'll go over into that area.
Yeah.
What is over there?
It's been in like multiple Gorilla Tech horror games that are like old. Wherever you go over there, it'll either jump scare you with a loud sound, or it'll teleport you to somewhere. And this one, it teleports you with a loud sound. It's always loud. Oh my
So
gosh!
What?
Oh no! Yeah, this is what I saw. Let's just go back into camp. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Did you hear? Did you?
What the hell is that?
Is that Lucy?
Lucy
Lucy going
Lucy?
after.
It's coming for me.
No, why are the black eyes, bro? Oh, why the eyes like? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Why the eyes like that? Ooh, that scared me.
Huh.
I think Area 51 might work. Might. Yep, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it.
It works?
Yeah, but it doesn't have the Area 51 monster. I wonder who even. Oh my gosh, bro! There's two of them.
I don't know.
Yep, yep. It's good, bro. Yeah, fire alarm. We good, bro. We good, bro. We good, bro. We good, bro. We good, bro.
Ah,
Hey, I think they get stuck in the door. They do not get stuck in the door. They do not get stuck in the door.